Zhejiang BENFA Technology Company Limited was established in 1998. Located in the provincial high-tech park of Xinjiang County, Zhejiang Province, with 35,000 square meters of factory building land, is a professional supply of weaving equipment high-tech enterprises. The company is committed to R&D, design and manufacture of two-dimensional, three-dimensional weaving machinery, and weaving solution services. It mainly involves two-dimensional weaving equipment series, three-dimensional weaving equipment series, and hose production complete series equipment. At present, the company has more than 80 employees, including 2 R&D consultants with professional titles, and more than 10 R&D and technical personnel at the engineer level. The company has more than 30 sets of CNC machining centers, CNC grinding machines, and other production and testing equipment. The company pays attention to technological innovation. In the past few years, has developed more than 20 new products and undertaken 1 National Technology Innovation Fund. More than 10 items are listed in the Provincial New Product Trial Production and Development Plan and passed the provincial appraisal. In addition, the company has obtained 10 national invention patents and 23 utility model patents. The company drafted and formulated the National Hose Knitting Machine Industry Standard and cooperated with universities to build an engineering technology center for weaving technology research and equipment development to improve the ability of collaborative innovation. The company has successively won many honors such as Municipal Weaving Machinery R&D Center, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise Leapfrog Award, Innovative Demonstration Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise in Zhejiang Province, AAA Credit Enterprise, High-Tech Enterprise, and Specialized and Special New Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise in Zhejiang Province. The company focuses on the manufacture of weaving machinery and the solution of weaving technology solutions, including three-dimensional weaving machines, two-dimensional knitting machines, vertical and horizontal automatic weaving machine series, hose production equipment and key accessory series. Products are exported to the United States, Britain, Germany, Japan, and the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and other countries. The company is committed to becoming an expert in hose braiding solutions and a small giant enterprise in the professional field. Adhering to the core values of quality-oriented win-win development, our company closely focuses on the refined, specialized, new, specialized development model and the Alliance Innovation System combining production, learning, research, and application to improve the innovation ability of enterprises. And through several years of efforts, BENFA into a corporate brand of customer loyalty and user trust.